Hey guys, I am your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to download any song from YouTube Audio Library. YouTube Audio Library is a free source of songs, and from that you can download any songs for free and you can use that songs in your YouTube videos. So let's start our video after this short break. So for downloading songs from YouTube Audio Library, you need to open your browser. So here I am using Google Chrome as my browser. Once you have opened your browser, you need to search YouTube Audio Library. And once you have searched YouTube Audio Library, you need to click here YouTube Audio Library. And here you can see browse and download free music for your project. And here you can see the songs whichever you can download for free. And here you can change the genre, mood, instrument, duration and attribute. And if you want the duration of 4 minutes 30 seconds to 5 minutes, you can select this, and these all are the filters which you can do. And here you can search the music. And for downloading, for example, I want to download this, you need to simply click on this download button, and now this download has started. So I hope you have learned something new today, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.